Welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem many developers face when working with arrays of objects in React. The problem at hand involves changing a specific field within one of the objects in the array. This task can often become quite complex, leading to the need for a clearer and more concise solution. Let's explore a possible solution to this problem. By encapsulating the logic in a custom hook, we can simplify the code and make it more reusable. The provided solution introduces a custom hook called useSelect, which handles the state management and logic for toggling the selected field in the array of items. This hook neatly encapsulates the complexity, making the main component cleaner and easier to read. Continuing with the solution, the useSelect hook includes a toggle item function that toggles the selected field of a specific item in the array. By structuring the logic in this way, we can efficiently update the state and ensure that the order of items in the array is maintained. This approach simplifies the process of managing and updating the array of objects, improving the overall maintainability of the code. In summary, by utilizing a custom hook to encapsulate the state management and logic for updating the array of objects, we can effectively simplify the code and improve its readability. This approach streamlines the process of toggling the selected field in a specific item, offering a cleaner and more maintainable solution for working with arrays of objects in React. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.